Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable app icon badges for Snapchat typing notifications so you never miss when someone is about to message you. If you've ever wanted to see those little notification dots appear right on your app icon when someone is typing, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live. Next, scroll down and tap on apps. This section shows every app installed on your phone. Now find and tap on Snapchat. This will open all the settings specific to the app. Once you're inside, tap on Notifications. Here, you can manage how Snapchat alerts you. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat separates different types of alerts, so you can control them individually. Now, look for the option called Typing and tap on it. This setting controls notifications for when someone is actively typing you a message. Finally, toggle on App Icon Badges. Once enabled, you'll start seeing badge indicators on your Snapchat icon whenever there's a typing notification.